Hey everyone, this is the Traveling Tacos. Today I am at Jones Pass. This is near Winter Park, Colorado. This is going to be my first of many wildflower hikes this summer. It is only the end of June. Gosh, I wish I knew what today's date is. I think it's the 26th. This is really early in wildflower season. In Colorado, they really kind of peak towards the middle, end of July, sometimes even August. This year, since the snow didn't really pack heavy, it's definitely not going to be too late of a wildflower season. I've seen on some Facebook groups that the flowers are just starting to bloom. On the drive up, there was some pretty yellow flowers, so I'm excited to see what I'm going to find out here. I've never been here before. Let's hit the trail. Maria. So just my luck here. As soon as I start flying my drone, it starts sleeting, raining. It's like snowing right now. Like I said, it's last weekend of June and it's snowing. This is crazy. But the wildflowers are out. They are nowhere near peak. Only like, I wouldn't even say a quarter of them are blooming. So this is definitely really, really early in the wildflower season. So just seeing little itty bitty ones, no columbines, nothing really big, a few Indian paintbrushes, a couple of dandelions, those kind of things. So there's still plenty of time to get out here to try to see them. This place is going to be absolutely unbelievable with all these waterfalls and how lush it is here. It is funny though, some of the wildflowers are definitely a little like past bloom. Some of them even look a little like burned out from the sun. Probably this rain and sleet, whatever this is happening right now, is probably really good for these flowers. So hopefully, maybe even by next weekend, these will be blooming even more. This sleety, snowy mix has really started to pick up. I'm like super duper so close to my car, but there's a moose right across the way. This is so cool. I'm like seeing a moose in the snow in the middle of June, at the end of June. Oh, this is so peaceful. Okay, I'm done hiking. I realized after looking at my All Trails app that I wasn't actually going up Jones Pass. The road that I was on was actually the trail up Jones Pass. So I might hop back in my car, drive up to the pass, see if there's anything else, but there's currently a moose behind me. There is just abundant wildflowers, even though like I said, it's still not at peak. It's still unbelievable. This like sleety rain did get a little annoying. As you can tell, I had to put my poncho on. It was a little dramatic because my car was literally right around the corner, but I did it to protect my camera gear, and I'm still wearing it because it's warm and keeping the breeze away because it's chilly now that it's snowing. But thinking about like maybe not even that long, like a week, between a week and 2 weeks, the wildflowers are gonna be absolutely perfect here. So maybe I'll try to get back here in that time. That's where Jones Pass ends. That's as far as I can drive. And I just have to note that the car in front of me is a Tesla, like a little itty bitty car. I probably shouldn't have that in case somebody's in there, but like a little itty bitty car. They made it all the way up here. You can too. I wish there wasn't snow, but it actually doesn't look like the rest of the road's drivable. So I might hike from here, but I think I'm gonna send my drone up. I am up here at the top of Jones Pass. I have gotten as far as I can hiking because it is still very snowed in and Maria can't quite make it. So this is gonna be the first time I am usefully using the drone to go out and scope the landscape because I can't quite see what's over the ridge, but I'll be able to see the drone as it flies over. I'm so excited to see what's over there. Again, this has been the Traveling Tacos. This is just my very first wildflower hike of the year, so stay tuned for plenty more.